Well, hello everybody, Gus Gardener here, and today we're talking about trimming hedges and bushes. And you can see up there I've had my guy out there busy working on this, and you can see how much material has already come off. So I'm going to show you a neat little trick that we've come up with to help that process go smoother. So hang on. So I'm just using a standard, pretty old Black & Decker electric hedge trimmer. So there's the cord plugged into it, but I've added a handle to it. Let me swing it around here so you can see the whole thing. So it's an old shovel handle, and it turns out that that just is awesome for reaching around. So here's my hands on it. You can see I'm kind of gripping it like that. I'll show you a little better here. So there you go. And the attachment's pretty simple. I'll show you what I've done here. I've gone ahead and drilled some holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, gotta get up there so you can see it. There's 4 holes there, 2 there and 2 there. And I put just a metal plate that you can get from Home Depot on there. A hose clamp kind of a thing here. And then this is just bolted onto that, and then I put some duct tape around it just to keep the sharp edges from cutting. And it has been very sturdy and allows me to reach up on high places like up in here, which I'll show you in just a second. So that's the trick, is I just put an extension handle on the hedge trimmer. And believe it or not, it actually feels safer too, because I'm actually holding it back here for the most part, and I'm not having my hands up near the blades. So let me show you what that looks like. Well, you can see I can get up pretty high. This is a hill going down there, so that's why when I step down, that's even higher. And when I'm over here on the top of the steps here, I can reach areas like that. But it allows me to do lots of trimming without having to get up on ladders all the time, especially on a place like this where the hill's going down, and putting a ladder here is very difficult. So let me just continue to show you. I'll see how much I can reach up top here. We'll see where we can go with that. But I'll show you how we do these lower ones as well. Okay, that's everything trimmed, and you can see over here we got it all the way down the hill. We had to do some big trimming, which, oops, I didn't show you on those big old hollies down there. Had to get the chainsaw out to cut some pieces out of that one, but it looks good now. So I showed you my secret tool. Put that extender on there, and you can reach up high, and you can also reach around and get behind things. I like it a lot. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.